guys, today this is the Nature Channel, and today we'll be taking a look at the American house cat in its natural habitat. Just look at its tail, it's wagging. Oh, she's a feisty one. Oh, she's giving herself a bath now. Hello, kitty. Yes, by the way, her name is Kitty, short for Kitty Perry. We found her under my mom's car. In the winter time. Oh, Kitty, where are you going? Get back here. Just look at this majestic little cat. Lily, shut up! I told you to be quiet! I'm sorry, that's our director. Oh, now the cat is entering the basement. Where did the cat go? Oh, here's the cat on her steps. She is going down the steps.
Lily, be quiet!
This is the cat's toilet. No, Max, Lily's upstairs. And that's her litter.
Be quiet, Lily!
Here's her litter. Her litter box. And this is Kitty's little crawl space. She likes to go behind this pipe. It's just a little spot of hers where she likes to go. Now, I'll show you where the cat eats and sleeps. In the upstairs region of this cat's natural habitat, here is her food on the cat dish with the cat bowls. Now we're going into the upper upstairs region of this cat's natural habitat. This is not where she goes to the bathroom, but she does like to hang out. This is my parents' bed. It's also where the cat sleeps. Right around right there. Just right here. And she likes to go under the bed, 'cause it's where she sleeps, so why can't she go under? This is a garbage can. It's my parents' garbage can. I still live with my parents. Whoa, gosh, that's embarrassing. I think that's all for this episode of the Nature Channel for cats.